Hey everybody, my name is Eric Bland. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for making this channel what it is. It's pretty awesome. So real quick, I want to go over a couple t-shirts pricing wise. Like, Eric, what do you charge? What do you charge? All right, so this one has a logo that I've designed on here. It's called the Shoebox Hustle. Okay, that's a shirt. This one here is a Next Level t-shirt. It's a brand of a t-shirt. This one, I don't know what the brand of this one is. This is like a heathered look. This is Bell and Canvas t-shirt. White one is Gildan. Nope, Bell and Canvas. You can feel the difference on there. Gildan t-shirt. This is a baseball style one. This one's a heathered look. Who is this by? Gildan as well. Okay, so what do you charge, Eric, for all these? Like, what do you charge per shirt? Okay, a lot of people have a misconception when they go to TJ Maxx or Myers or Walmart, or they go to these places, or they go Abercrombie and Fitch or American Eagle, okay, and they get these t-shirts and they're $22.50 or $25, and they're like, oh my gosh, that's expensive. And then you go to a shirt shop, you know, like something I had, and you say, okay, well, we're selling our shirts for $25. Well, that's kind of expensive for a t-shirt, don't you think? No, it's not. And here's the reason it's not expensive. You have your logo on there. Something that you thought of, you created, is now on a t-shirt, and you get to wear it around. You represent whatever's on the t-shirt, right? Your business, your record label, or whatever it is, your baseball team, right? So is $25 too much a shirt? I don't think so. In malls, you walk around, it's $25 a t-shirt for whatever logo, and boom, they press it on there, and away they go, okay? So does $25 sound like a lot? Well, what's a lot? How much time and effort do you have in the shirt? Have you ever weeded out tiny, tiny little things? It's going to take longer time. I remember doing a shirt for $9 for a lady, and I did 9 shirts at $9, and all these little paw prints, and I had to weed every single little paw print out. It was horrific. It was miserable, okay? Well, I didn't think about how long that process would take. So how much should you charge for a shirt? Charge at least $25 for a shirt. Remember, it's customized. Well, if they come to you, and you get this in business all the time, you get, well, this place online said they do it cheaper for $10 a shirt. Yeah, you're right. They will do it for $10 a shirt. Minimum order is probably between 20 to 30 t-shirts at $10 a piece, so you can order them right now. Yep, I'll do it for the same price. I'll do it for $10 a shirt, but you have to order 30 of them. Also, there's a vectoration fee on there of $125 probably, or maybe $75, somewhere in there. So now you have to pay that on top of it. So here you thought $10 in the long run, now you're paying over $500 just in that product, especially if you're on Facebook and you start cruising through and seeing this. Now you have homeowners just like yourself that are doing these shirts by, you know, arts and crafts, or, you know, DIY shirt makers that, you know, the Cricut machine or something like that makes it a lot easier for people to do. But here's what you have to also ask yourself. The t-shirt wise, what kind of vinyl are you using? Are you using the Cricut stuff, or are you using Siser Easy Weed, which is a whole lot more expensive, right? How much more money are you putting into a t-shirt? Because a Gildan t-shirt like this or like this is going to be a lot less money than the Bell and Canvas ones. And then the Gildan ones are for sure going to be a lot less than the Next Level. Next Level is crazy material. It's awesome. This is a blue heather cobalt, I believe is what this one is called. But so price-wise, don't screw yourself on pricing when it comes to personalizing a t-shirt. You have to remember, they are excited to have their information on their shirts. For instance, I have a window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and power washing business. I'm excited I can think of something, put it on a t-shirt, and wear it out that same day, okay? Or that same hour that I thought whatever up, put it on a t-shirt, and away I can go with it, okay? So you have to remember that your time is definitely going to be well worth it, or is your time going to be well worth it? So if you have 3 shirts, you're saying, Eric, I should charge $75. No, that's not at all what I said. What I said is it worth your time? 3 shirts, $75, I wouldn't do that. I would charge them a vectoration fee. Minimum order on t-shirts would be $125 if you order 3 of them. Okay, well, I thought it was $25 a shirt. Yeah, but now we have to vectorize it, right? Do you have more than one color in there? Right? These are the things you have to ask yourself. Because what you're going to do is, we call them bucket bobs in the window cleaning business. Well, I used to have a window cleaner that would do it for $10. Well, yeah, they don't carry insurance, they don't carry all the liability, they don't you know, walk around promoting that they have such and such business. They're probably not walking around. These shirt companies on Facebook Marketplace aren't probably walking around saying, yeah, we do t-shirt making. They probably just started, just like you guys. Maybe you guys are one of them that just started. You know, you want to have a high quality product, which you want to have a good shirt, and you want to have good vinyl. Don't just go up to Joann Fabrics or Hobby Lobby and grab this stuff and think that's what you're gonna use. You know, get the more expensive stuff and it will last longer. I have a t-shirt, which I can't find now, but I think I sold it in a bundle with the shirt business. But one had, on the very top, it had Cricut brand vinyl, and then heat transfer vinyl, and then on the bottom half was is Siser Easy Weed. Siser Easy Weed was still on there after 40 washes. It was 40 washes that I put that sucker through continuously with every close. It didn't matter. Just put it in, and it started peeling the top of it on the Cricut. So you really have to think about what you're truly doing out there when it comes to business, making sure you have the quality product. So think about that as you guys go on. I love you. Thank you guys so much. Until next time. See you.